How to remove sunscreen stains. You're getting ready for a sunny day, you put on sunscreen, and then it happens, you notice those greasy, white stains on your clothes. Sunscreen is important for your skin, but its oils and minerals often leave stubborn marks that normal washing doesn't remove. These stains don't just look bad, they set into the fabric and become harder to clean if you ignore them. The good news is, there's a simple way to treat sunscreen stains and restore your clothes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove sunscreen stains quickly and effectively, using the right method so your clothes stay clean and fresh. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to removing sunscreen stains from clothes and washable fabrics, and removing sunscreen stains from carpets and upholstery. Now let's get started. Method 1. Removing sunscreen stains from clothes and washable fabrics. Number 1. Scrape off any sunscreen that hasn't been absorbed. If the stain is fresh, the sunscreen will still be liquid. In this case, gently pick up the excess instead of scraping it off. Whatever you do, avoid pushing the sunscreen further into the fabric. Number 2. Cover the stain with baking soda. Your goal here is to get rid of excess oil in the stained fabric. Baking soda is an absorbent, which means it can soak up oil. Sprinkle a generous amount of it on the stain and double-check to make sure you've got the area covered completely. Apart from baking soda, you can use talcum powder and cornstarch as well. They also serve as absorbents. If you're dealing with a stain that's turning brown, soak it in lemon juice and cover with salt instead. While the salt will act as an absorbent for oil, the lemon juice will act as a harmless bleaching solution. Another option is to soak it in baking soda. Add a bit of baking soda to a bowl and fill it halfway with water. Let the stained piece soak in for about 24 hours and then wash it as usual. Number 3. Let the baking soda sit and then brush it off. In order to absorb as much oil as possible, the powder needs to remain in contact with the stained area for at least 30 minutes. Once it's been that long, the baking soda should look damp. Then you can use a soft bristled brush to brush it off. Treating the stain with baking soda might be enough for it to disappear. If it doesn't, you'll need to do a few more steps until completion. Number 4. Rub the stain with dish soap and let it sit. Don't use soap to which artificial colors have been added. Make sure you've covered the entire stained area and that you've rubbed the soap in properly. Leave the fabric to sit for 5 minutes. Number 5. Soak the fabric before rinsing it. Make a solution using hot water and a dollop of either dish soap or laundry detergent. Leave the fabric to soak for 30 minutes. Once you've done that, rinse it with hot water. Number 6. Wash the fabric as usual. If you can, use the highest temperature setting allowed for that type of material. Once it's out of the washing machine, the fabric should be completely free of stains. If it's not, simply repeat the process. Whatever you do, avoid putting the fabric into the dryer before the stain is completely gone. Otherwise, the temperature in the dryer might help the stain to set. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Removing sunscreen stains from carpets and upholstery. Number 1. Blot up any excess sunscreen. Paper towels are great for such tasks since they're highly absorbent. Your goal here is to get rid of as much oil as possible. This is why you should keep blotting until you see your paper towel isn't absorbing anymore. Number 2. Cover the stain with an absorbent. Baking soda, talcum powder, and cornstarch are excellent absorbents. They can soak up excess oil from almost any material with which they come in contact. So sprinkle the stained area with one of them generously. Number 3. Let the absorbent sit and then vacuum the stained area. Leaving it on for 15 minutes should be enough, but if you want to be sure, simply check if the powder is damp. If it is, that means the absorbent has done its job and soaked up excess oil. Now you can vacuum the stained area to remove all traces of the powder. Brushing absorbents off is allowed when treating washable fabrics, but it's not recommended when it comes to carpets and upholstery. By using a brush, you're risking pushing both the absorbent and the sunscreen deeper into the material. Number 4. Use a clean cloth and a dry cleaning solvent to sponge the stained area. Use gentle movements and make sure not to push the solvent into the stained material. Your goal is to remove the sunscreen, not replace it with the dry cleaning solvent. Keep sponging until you've covered the entire stained area. If the stain is still visible, try removing it using water and dish soap. Simply mix 2 cups 470 milliliters of cold water with 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters of dish soap. Using this solution and a clean cloth, sponge the stained area until you've removed the stain completely. Number 5. Remove the leftover dry cleaning solvent with a clean cloth and water. You don't want your carpet or upholstery to retain smells or become damaged due to chemicals in the solvent. So soak the cloth in water and rub it gently over the stained area. Repeat until you've removed all traces of the solvent. If you don't want to use dry cleaning solvent, you can leave the absorbent to sit longer instead. You should leave it for at least 6 hours before vacuuming it. Once you've finished vacuuming, the stain should be gone. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Act quickly on fresh stains. The sooner you blot or absorb sunscreen, the less likely it is to set deep into the fabric or upholstery. 2. Use absorbent powders. Baking soda, cornstarch, or talcum powder are excellent for soaking up the oily base in sunscreen before washing. 3. Try natural stain removers. Lemon juice and salt can help lighten brown discoloration caused by sunscreen, especially on light fabrics. 4. Dish soap works well. Since sunscreen is oil-based, dish soap is effective in breaking down and lifting the stain. 5. Vacuum instead of brushing upholstery. When dealing with carpets and furniture, vacuuming is safer than brushing, which can push sunscreen deeper into the material. Warnings. 1. Don't rub fresh sunscreen stains. Rubbing spreads the oil and forces it deeper into the fibers. Blot instead. 2. Avoid colored soaps. They may leave behind additional stains or residue. Use clear dish soap. 3. Don't use hot water immediately. Heat can set the stain if it hasn't been pre-treated. Start with soaking or stain treatment first. 4. Don't dry until the stain is gone. Heat from a dryer will lock the stain permanently into fabrics. 5. Use solvents cautiously. Dry cleaning solutions can damage certain materials if overused, so always test on a hidden spot first. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.